Meet Susan, an ambitious painter. She wishes to perform an online paint exhibition for all electronic artworks. Nevertheless, as the event is online, she fretted that her paints will not be protected as an individual might conveniently create or replicate them. Her close friend Mark pertained to her rescue with an idea of NFT. He recommended that Susan could purchase NFTs for all her paintings, as NFTs are reliable, conveniently transferable, and will also certainly additionally keep her ownership of civil liberties on their artworks. Susan had no concept of what NFTs were, so Mark tipped ahead and also clarified to her that NFTs transform your electronic possessions into distinctive ones by creating a distinct electronic signature, which specifies the possession of your properties, which can be bought and sold with genuine cash, cryptocurrency, or any other property. NFTs indicate that they are not interchangeable, and each of them represents distinct possessions. For instance, a $100 cost is fungible, as you can exchange it with $5 $20 expenses or two $50 expenses. Yet the paint of the Last Supper is non-fungible, as it cannot be produced wholesale. Even if it's duplicated, it will certainly not be authentic. Each foot consists of distinguishable information, like who possesses a digital possession and also who offered it, making them distinctive as well as easily proven, as it's impossible to create such a certification. It will protect her painting's creativity. After learning what NFTs are, Susan was curious to know how specifically NFT works. NFT primarily produce a blockchain-based digital certificate for your digital collectibles, consisting of video games, music, art, as well as a lot more. This certification gives your artwork a one-of-a-kind identification. The underlying modern technology and the programming language used by NFTs are the same as other cryptocurrencies, such as blockchain and the program's language, money, or manuscript. NFT majorly exists on the Ethereum blockchain, a distributed public ledger that records all the deals. However, NFTs quite varies from these cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and also Ethereum are fungible symbols that suggest if you trade Bitcoin or Ethereum for one another, you will have the very same value or item in return, primarily money. On the other hand, NFT is a special token. Consequently, if you try to trade it, you might wind up with something completely different in your hands. CryptoPunk is an amazing example of NFTs. It enables you to acquire, sell, as well as shop 10,000 collectibles with the proof of possession being saved on Ethereum blockchain. After exploring just how NFTs work, Susan was encouraged and bought an NFT for all her paints because of this. Her artwork were secured from any kind of sort of bogus, and also gave her artwork a specific worth. This added to enhanced sales, as everyone were easily able to get the artwork without any fear. In conclusion, her exhibition was a full success. Likewise, NFT has actually verified itself to be a benefit in the lives of many others, like Jack Dorsey, the chief executive officer and also co-owner of Twitter, with this very initial and renowned tweet: "Just setting up my Twitter, an ignition Darcy famously called meta-COVID, who got $69.3 million worth of FDR on individuals owing to its enhancing ability. Individuals are currently willing to pay thousands of dollars for NFTs. NFTs have boosted media direct exposure as well as special rewards for striving artists like Susan on social networks. This appeal for NFTs produces brand new opportunities for brand new art platforms, encouraging people to buy art from net platforms and also advertising copyright or originality of digital assets. So below's an inquiry for you. What makes any product's non-fungible exchangeability be special? Please offer an idea, as well as drop your solutions in the comments section listed below. Much more considerable part of the electronic economic situation in the future. We wish you enjoyed this video clip. If you did, a thumbs up would really be appreciated. I suggest you subscribe to our network and also click the bell symbol for a lot more and to be updated on innovations and also patterns in the crypto market. Thanks for enjoying, as well as staying tuned for a lot more from Just Discovering.